And we've seen it, like inheritance it can sometimes lead to conflict amongst family members, and we see how ugly sometimes it gets. But what advice would you give families to maintain fairness and harmony during this process?
And now they start to question the laws of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now, in that case, I would advise that elderly father or mother to have a word with all the children and also confirm exactly those whatever amounts of money given for the medical aid, for the groceries, or for the electricity and so forth. Confirm there and then what it was. If it was a gift, then the reward lies with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then it's done. But don't use the gift to say that I want more inheritance now. Allah's law is unfair. No, it doesn't work that way. So have that discussion with her. Or if she gave or he gave that grocery money or that medical aid money because no one else wanted to do it and the father did not have the money, then they must have a discussion, look here, but you all owe me this percentage of this money,